Today's video will walk you through the teardown of the GMKtec M8 mini PC. Before we start, prepare a small Phillips screwdriver and a pair of tweezers. The M8 chassis has been upgraded with taller rubber feet for better airflow and cooling. Now let's begin. First, remove the 4 screws at the bottom. You can now lift and separate the mid-frame of the case. Flip the unit over and you'll see the system cooling fan, which handles heat dissipation for the memory and SSD. Unscrew the 4 corner screws on the cover, remove the cooling fan, and gently disconnect the fan cable with tweezers. The fan can also be removed independently if needed. The M8 features dual M.2 2280 SSD slots, with each slot supporting up to 8 TB. Remove the screws and take out the SSD for DIY storage upgrades. Next, unscrew the hex screws along the edge of the motherboard. Detach the small daughter board on the side of the motherboard. Below the external port area is the Wi-Fi module. It supports Wi-Fi 6E and Bluetooth 5.2. Peel off the anti-static foam. Gently disconnect the 2 antennas with tweezers. Then remove the screws to take out the Wi-Fi card for replacement. Push the front cover downward while pressing the edge outward. This will allow you to remove one side of the black outer shell. Hold the rear I/O area and gently pry off the board to lift out the entire motherboard. On the back, you'll see the CPU cooling system, a superconductive copper turbine fan. Next, unplug the fan power cable and remove the 2 screws to take out the turbo fan. Then loosen the 4 screws on the vapor chamber copper plate to remove it. Here you can see the Onboard LPDDR5X 400M.2 memory. If you need to replace thermal paste, clean off the old paste from both the CPU and heatsink. Make sure both sides are completely clean. Apply an appropriate amount of new thermal paste evenly on the CPU when reassembling. Pay attention. Align the CPU cooling system with the 4 screw holes to avoid thermal paste shifting. When reinstalling the motherboard, make sure the front I/O ports align with the chassis openings. Gently flex the shell outward as needed. For the Wi-Fi module, follow the antenna markings. Black antenna on the outer side near the edge of the chassis, gray antenna on the inner side. These are the key points to watch out for during reassembly. So how was it? Did you get it? If you still have questions, feel free to leave a comment.